everybody, this is Uptown Swing, solo jazz, classic steps and improv. My name is Val. We did a lot of walking to music, yeah, sometimes a little bit faster, sometimes a little bit slower, depending on what music is. And then we incorporated some of the moves there. So we did this one called Hallelujahs. We learned a little bit transition here. We talked about how this is a step. This would actually help you move and incorporate it into your dancing, so it's not just like rocking like this, you actually want to step. Then we did jazz square, real transition to the other side, we'll do it on the other side. Then we did boogie drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we learned camel walk, which we started from just this. You make sure the leg you're stepping on, that's a straight leg, this one holds up, like this. So practice that, you can just do that if you want, but then we'll put it in your little pattern. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You go that way and then that way. So then we took those moves and we incorporated it to just like walking to music, dancing, sometimes throwing a move in there. And then we slowly took the walking around out there and just combined a bunch of moves and danced through the song, and it was beautiful. Bye!